Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. I'm back again. Na me be that your girl dey talk truth. You know me as that girl dey talk truth. If na first time to see my video, subscribe. One love. I love you guys. Still the matter. Na business. So this video I wan do. This saga don dey reign for three days. For internet, e don dey reign. Na about that policeman wey go arrest people. Come see the girlfriend, come see the boy girlfriend. As see the boy girlfriend, na him come begin dey talk many things. If you understand Yoruba, because most of the talk wey him talk na for Yoruba, him use the talk. He talk many things. He disgrace the girl. At least he talk as if say him and the girl they get problem. That's he don toast the girl before. The girl come do shakara for am. In fact you need to go watch that video. If you never watch the video, go watch am. The man too do. He overdo. You understand my point? So I wan use this talk take talk wetin dey my belle. You understand? Make comot the police uniform apart. You understand? Make no be like say I dey talk to police person. I wan comot the police uniform. Make I talk to guys. Make I talk to men. Make I talk to boys. I don't know wetin I go call them. Make I talk to them. Because this is just dey baffle me. Do you wanna feel say una go carry that phone wey una call smartphone, una go video girl, una go still get the right post that video without no conscience? Shebi I see the one wey happen for South Africa. I never get time to talk that one. Una carry girl, at the end of the day una talk say una dey find una Rolex, una wristwatch, all those una video girl with nakedness. Una still get the guts, still put am for internet. In fact at times I go just dey wonder, all those guys wey be say they go dey video girl. If they no video girl with nakedness, they go video girl with one particular bad thing wey that girl do. If they no do am, they go insult that girl. If they no insult that girl, they go still video am, they go come put am for internet. Question wey I wan ask abeg, if una no even get sister, because I believe say na woman born now, una no from heaven come down, na still that the same place na una take come outside. Na woman born na. Make we talk say, you know some people talk say moreover no get sister. If una dey do something, why una no dey think say if say nobody dey big pass disgrace, so na when hand jam that person. Why una no dey think say if na my sister or if na my mama dey do that kind thing, how una go feel? If una no even think that one, una no dey think the result wey go even come outside. Shey una know wetin be say una go damage. Una no know wetin be internet o. Una feel say una go carry that phone dey call smartphone. Una go just carry am for hand like this. Una go do video, put am for internet. E don finish like that. So I no know wetin be internet. Internet na all over the world dey watch am. As far as this world dey concerned, na everybody dey watch am. Una just wan damage that person image out of selfishness. Because me I call that thing selfishness. At last wetin una gain? Na be the thing. At last wetin una gain? I don know many people. If they read news, many girls don take their life. They don kill themselves because of the disgrace wey man give them. Wey they carry phone do video, they go put am for internet. Abi ma dey talk that one. I know one for my side. He take him life because of things wey be say guys they dey inside house do. Before you know, you don see am for Facebook. He just comot him life because he no fit bear the shame. Okay, at last shebi they carry the person. In fact, if person kill himself, as far as na because of it, he don kill that person. At last they arrest them. Okay, wetin come be the gain? Wetin come be the gain? I wan know. You put am say because of say you wan do big boy. That one no be big boy o. No be big boy. If he disgrace a woman wey be say na woman, if you disgrace woman wey be say na woman born, you might tell you are disgracing your own mother. Even if your mama don die, you are disgracing, in fact in your own generation, for inside grave everywhere wey you are disgracing her because na woman she be. If you enter internet, you go dey see rubbish. If man wan insult girl, if they wan disgrace her, they go disgrace her as if say no be woman being dem be, no be God create them. but una come forget the kind damage una go damage that girl life, the kind wound una go give that girl na everlasting wound. The girl go still born pikin, go still marry, go still born pikin. If a pikin come go internet come see that kind thing, which eyes wan make take dey look him mama? Okay, now those policemen na she dey arrest them. She dey talk make the girl sue the police people to court. Okay, wetin dem gain? All those guys now wey be say dem go put girls picture for Facebook or for internet, their naked pics, or when they dey do one or two things they go put am. Wetin dem gain? And me I go advise girls o because this world o dey na modern world na im we dey now. Some people go say na computer world. You see love e get where love dey sweet dey reach. When love no sweet again na problem. If you be that kind person wey be say man go talk say send me your nude pic, you go carry am pick him, you go send am. Oh my sweetheart, this one you go send am. At times person dey do mistake send something, send am for another person phone. E don happen. Pastor wife you wan send the husband the picture, he carry am send church member, that one blow. If the man no fit enjoy, if you no fit enjoy you face to face, you see this face to face una dey see una sef, leave am. Because when the love go finish, na him by himself go carry the thing put for internet. If you no put am, if you phone lost, another person go say I go help am put am. So me I no get word o. Wetin I know be say dem talk am, e dey inside Bible, e dey everywhere. What you sow you shall reap it. If you no reap am today, you go reap am tomorrow. Wetin me I know be say those policemen o, I no even talk about man comot their uniform for one side dey talk, because no be all police bad. Dem still get good one wey be say I don meet good police. I even surprise say so police fit do this kind thing. So no be all police bad o. Those men and people wey be say wey don do am, in fact make dem give dem judge dem, so that make dem know say law dey exist. No be only our blood law dey, law still dey Nigeria. Anyway me as that your girl wey dey talk truth I just feel like say today why I dey free, may I just drop this video. One love, I love you guys. One love. If na your first time subscribe, bye there. One love.